Hello guys, okay, good evening. Oh, the market just dropped right there. Oh, yeah, I hope so. But the thing is, this one is a re-entry, I guess, for this one. Alright, yeah, can break, but I don't think so. It's gonna be soon. Okay, just give it a moment. Okay, so I'm looking at it. I'm looking at the See how is it, okay? Oh, can go to yeah lah. Alright, well, we will see. Alright, we will see how it is. Alright, but the way I look at it, well, it will break, but well, the momentum is downtrend. But well, we'll look at it lah. We'll see how it is. Okay. Okay. Okay, need to break the whole zone until below here. Until need to break until 4529. Okay. So for those who re-enter, alright. So he break the top zone, guys. This is top zone below. Alright, go up, sell, break the this middle zone, and then come here, the bottom zone, and then go up lah. Alright, as usual. Okay, so we'll see how it is. Alright, for the bottom one, for this zone, if you guys want to re-enter, can go ahead, but be cautious with it. Okay, be careful with the re-entry. Alright. Alright, okay guys, okay, give me a moment. Alright, just see. Okay, if you guys want to enter the bottom zone for the buy, alright, risky. Alright, risky buy zone. Okay. Okay, because I'm doing something for YouTube. Give me a moment. So take it easy, okay guys. Alright, can try to buy lah guys, okay. Okay, alright, just buy. Okay, this is inside the group, guys. Alright, for this inside the group, okay, you will receive a buy salaries lah. Okay. At the bottom also this is our buy zone. Alright, so just take it easy. Okay, sorry. Can try lah. Yeah, bad for good. Alright, bad for good. That's why he came down lah, but that's okay. Alright, guys might ask me why with these two different colors. Okay, the bottom one, the purple one, was the zone that I drew just now at the Euro session. Alright, the orange color one is the zone that was posted inside the group. Okay, so it's inside the Telegram group. Okay, this is posted lah. Alright, try this one. Okay. Okay, we try this one. Careful guys, careful. Harry's okay. Okay guys, okay, for the group one, okay, hit this, right? The bottom one lah, 4 5 4 2. Okay, we try. Okay, we try this one right here. Come on, right? Okay, so inside the group, guys, inside the group. Okay, so inside the group, okay. Wait. 4 5 8 0, a bit too high, but I can if you analyze it that way. So guys, keep it close, guys. Alright, keep your phones close. Alright, so just hit TP1 already anyway. So four five 4 6. Okay, it's the bottom zone, so take it easy, guys. Right? Okay. Good job. Okay, for those who managed to hold, alright, I think I can close a few lah, because there's a sell zone here. Alright, I need to be careful a bit. There's a sell zone here. Okay. Alright. Once we in blue, close first. Okay. Yeah. Minus, okay lah. Okay. Take it easy guys, slowly. Re-enter risky lah. Every time it's the same. Okay, if you guys want to re-enter, okay, remember it's gonna be risky, okay? Especially if this kind of zone. Alright, okay guys, okay. Now sorry guys, I'm doing some adjustments. Okay, the internet, alright, it's not that fast. Right, anyway, for this one, okay, because it's coming up to the cell zone now. Just okay guys, be careful. Alright, careful. Alright, careful first. This one. This is cell zone top. Alright. Okay, right. So so for those who enter the risky zone, congratulations. Right, can close a few lah. Alright, it's running about 100 pips, guys. Okay, from here it's about 110 pips. Congratulations, well done. Okay, take it easy, guys. Slowly. Alright, I'm holding a bit. Because I entered the trade before also, alright, so we'll just take it easy first, okay? Maybe? Don't have, right? Oh, but I haven't entered. That's why I actually have. Alright, okay, guys, take it easy. Okay, for those who already profit the 110 pips, this bottom zone, congratulations, right? Okay, so the thing is, I did not close. I just hold it because I'm waiting for it to go all the way up, and then I will close everything. Okay. Take it easy, take it easy. Sushi money. What is it? What is sushi money? Okay. Sushi. Oh, sushi money. Okay. From the top. Okay, can. okay, sure, can, no worries. Take it easy, slowly. Alright, okay. No worries. Okay, because the thing is why, it's now the top zone, which I entered. Alright, I have a top zone, right? Okay. Then it's not fresh, so I entered, then it just break. So that's why, whenever guys, okay, if you want to enter a zone that's not fresh, alright, this is what will happen. It will come down and then it will look for another fresh zone below. It's like that. Okay, so this is the theory of the trading lah. Alright, and also even that, okay, the top. Okay, let's see. I'm not sure whether it can go all the way up. Okay, this one. Okay, alright. Okay, never mind. Okay. So this one, okay. So at the moment right now is at the bottom zone. Alright, he enters back into the buy zone. Alright, just be careful, right? Slowly. Easy guys, so I'll find I'll find a sell zone. Alright guys, okay, give me a moment. Let me check for the lower zones. Okay, so the zone that we are aiming for is the bottom here. Alright. Okay, come. Alright, can try to buy this zone, okay guys? Okay, risky buy zone. Okay, can try. Okay, we try. Zone right here. Alright. Alright, okay guys, it's running about 40 pips from the bottom zone here. Alright, okay, try to close a few. Alright, close a few, relax, take it easy. Alright, showing about, well, what, 50 pips, 48 pips lah. Okay, close a few. Okay, alright, take it easy, relax. Okay, close a few. 50 pips guys. Alright, just close a bit. Alright. Okay guys, close a bit guys, close a few. Alright, come, let's find another fray zone below. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so the next zone is quite far. Right? Alright guys, money management. Okay guys, once 40 pips outside the zone, you guys close really. Okay, I'll just remove this. Alright, so you wait for this bottom zone for the buy. Right? Okay, don't mind my account. Right, there you go. It's okay, no worries. Okay, so we wait for the buy zone below, and then we will try to buy. Okay. For which one? Yeah, supposed to be profiting about 40 pips really. So is it? Yeah, because the thing is went up already, you know. You went up, it profit about 40 pips. Okay, I mean, I cut first. Alright, cut first. It's okay. Alright, cut first. Okay, because you are waiting for the zone below. Waalaikumsalam. Yeah, a little bit lagging, I guess. That's why I'm trying to see how I can settle this. A little bit lagging. Okay. Two 8 and 2 2. Okay, yeah, risky. Right, it's best to wait for the bottom one. Okay, for the 4517 and 4507. Right. Okay, just wait for this one for this bottom zone. Alright, then we try to enter. Okay. Well, if it's good, then enter lah. Alright. If it's good for you, then you can go ahead and enter. Alright, no problem. Can try. So you see, guys, this is resiliency. Let's say if you didn't close using SL, I mean if you did not respect the SL, okay, you'll be floating a lot. See? So that's why sometimes when the price go about 40 to 50 pips, okay, close first. Alright, for normal accounts especially. Okay. Okay. Right. Anyway, Fadi said in TikTok with Hilda, okay, with Rosie, Shah, right? Right, okay, we try this one, okay. So normal guys, okay, once about 40-50 pips can close really, okay. Take it easy guys. Hello, hey. Hello, good evening. Alright, good evening. Alright, okay guys. Okay, so the thing is, at the moment right now it's coming to about 60 pips. Okay, this trade right here, about 60 plus pips lah. Okay, close a few. Alright, it's running about 70 pips. So close a bit. Alright, close a bit and then just relax, take it easy. Okay, alright. So have to do this, I guess. Have to go close and then go to the next one. Alright, we do this at the moment. Okay. I mentioned don't worry about my account lah. Don't worry, it's okay. I make mistake of entering the not fresh zone lah. So this is what happened lah. So I need to hold every to the bottom. Okay, you're welcome. Okay, good job, well done. Alright, at the moment right now don't full margin, don't do anything like that. Okay, just enter then close, just enter close. Okay, alright, then we go to the next zone. Alright, at the moment, I don't know where to look at it, it's still coming down. Alright, there will be one point that the buyers will are waiting and then it will go up, but I'm not sure which one. Alright. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Okay, alright. So don't re-enter, don't do anything like that. Okay, we'll delete this zone. I'll delete this zone. Then we will continue to the bottom one. Right? Right, so okay, after that we'll go to the bottom one first, right? The buy zone below. Okay, can we explain how to scalp into zone and manage risk, especially in cases where prices move too quickly before fully entry versus when it goes deeper and a lot better positioning? How I scalp into zone. Okay, basically I mark the zone. Okay, there's a waiting of confirmation. There's a, you can wait for confirmation and all those making like, for example, there's you wait for head and shoulder, something like that. Alright, depend on how you want to do it. But for me, once it enters the zone, alright, I will straight away enter. Alright, I won't wait for any confirmation. Alright, for example, for this buy zone here, alright, so what I will do, I wait for it to enter. Alright, okay, let me show you the zones. It's very far on the left. Okay, so it's a bit risky, this zone. Alright, I'm taking this zone. If not, alright, so once, the thing is, for me, the confirmation that I only have for this zone is a break of structure here. Alright, so that's it. So this is the only one that I will take as leverage for my entry for this zone. Okay, so if you ask me, waiting for any confirmation, I don't have. Alright, for me just enter only. Alright, for me easy. So long I have a zone and I have a break of structure, then I will just enter first. Okay, alright. Let's say if it breaks this zone right here, example. Okay, I will look for the next one. Alright, so the next one will be where? Will be here. Alright, so mark this zone right here. Okay, that's it. I make it simple, guys. Alright, I make it very simple. I don't complicate stuff, because why, if I complicate stuff, I will be very confused. I'm like that. Okay, I'll be very confused. So I just take it simple lah. Make it simple. Alright, okay, come. how do you manage this balance? Meaning, and how do you structure your risk when, so for example, on a 1,000 cost with no makeup capital. Okay, $1,000. Meaning, okay, for 1,000, you are talking about money management, right? Okay, so for money, let's say you only have $1,000 to trade. Okay, my advice, okay, don't put all the money that you have inside. For example, if you only left with $1,000 capital, okay, don't put $1,000, put $100, $200, $250, whatsoever not. Okay, don't put full 1,000. Understand? Okay, that's the first rule. Okay, number 2, knowledge. How much you know? Alright, how much do you know? Learn first. Okay, try to learn first. Try to understand the market first before you enter. Alright, if you're a little bit skeptical about losing your capital, okay, open up a demo account. Okay, don't use Profirm. Okay, open up a demo account or enter 0.01 only. Alright, once it hits the SL, and then you can close. Then go to the next one. Okay, same as this one, same as our buy zone here. Okay, let's say if it breaks here, okay, I will go to the next one. The top one also, okay, the previous zone also, same thing. Okay, it came down, profit, I clean everything. Okay, so we wait for the next buy zone finish. We take it one step at a time. We take it one zone at a time. Alright, okay. So the thing is, if you want to manage the balance, is that's the way lah. Alright, you need to have the kind of discipline. Okay, for example, if you layer 10 layers, example, alright, close 70 to 80% first. Okay, so you left three layers, right? That 3 layers, okay, put break even, finish. Then just leave it, and then go to the next trade, and then enter again, and then do the next trade, enter again. Okay, but for me, okay, I understand that you guys are looking at this trade and looking, where's my money management? To be honest, there's no money management here. Okay, the only reason that I can actually do this is because my account is a bit big. Alright, it's a bit big, so I keep on layering until at one point there's a point where the buyers is waiting for it to go up. Alright, okay, so I will look at the bigger picture. Alright, I will look at the bigger picture. I will look in H1 or M15 and whatsoever. Okay, so now the price is here. Okay, just now we entered here, right? We profit a bit. So the next one will be the bottom here, and then after that here, the bottom here. So there must be a limit to everything. So I will cut everything. Okay, let's say it passed this zone right here, right? The next one will be very far, so I will cut everything. Okay, I'll cut everything. Okay, but the way I look at it, well, I'm still okay, alright, in holding it. So I just wait for it to go up lah. Okay. Again, guys, if you don't have a backup, for example, you only have $1,000, alright, don't put everything, don't put all the $1,000 into the account. Okay, put 200, put 100, put $50 in fact. Okay, and then after that, slowly build your account. Alright, okay, whatever I'm doing right now, okay, this one all, okay, all this is not building account. Okay, this is different. Okay, building account like $50, you want to build your account. Okay, $1,000, $100, $1,000, you want to build your account. Okay, slowly, one by one. Alright, one by one, step by step. Okay, only then if your account is big enough, you can actually hold. Then you can do all these things. Right? You can layer all the way down, or you can layer all the way down, or you can enter big lots. Okay, but for a start, don't do that. Okay. Alright. Okay, come. Okay, guys. Okay, there's a cell zone if you guys want to try. So, okay. You guys want to try now, alright? But for me, if you ask me for advice, I will try the top zone better. So, okay. Okay, you can try the top. Okay, now for this zone right here, it will make a reaction, but not that much because the sideway is not that good. See, it suddenly stopped. Alright, it was going up, suddenly it stops because of this one right here. Alright, so this one will be on above here. Okay, we'll try this one for the sun. Okay. Okay, as you can still see this zone right here. Okay, see, it reacted to this zone right here and then it came down. Alright, it came down about not bad 57 pips. Okay, alright, can you see? Okay, so that's why I say okay, always mark the one with the sideways here. Alright, okay, it doesn't matter M1, M5 or M15 or H1 even. Okay, just mark. Alright, okay, I'll mark here. I'll mark this zone right here. Okay. See, M5 there's nothing. Okay, M15 there's nothing. You can see? Alright, so this is an M1 zone. Alright, if you see an M1 zone is always risky. Okay. Alright. Okay, so we wait for this risky sell and we try to sell. Okay. War blue, what happened? Nothing. All good. Still got a long way to go. That's all. Alright. Okay, always remember. Okay, guys, remember this is a M1 sell zone. Okay, if it's M1 sell zone, it's going to be risky. Right? Take it easy. Right? Okay, alright, see? Alright, as you see, make a reaction. So this is an M1 zone. Alright, not bad for those who try this zone. 100 pips, I guess. Okay, very good. Okay, right. So let's take it easy, guys. Slowly. Okay, come on, break it. Okay, so once this zone is broken, alright, this bottom zone here, alright, and one zone here is broken. When it broke this zone, oh god, alright, we will try this risky sell, okay, or if it comes down all the way down, we will try this buy zone. Okay, so that's it. Okay. Okay, other than a break of structure, if it's number one, if it goes against the trend, okay, all right, the zone is not fresh. Okay, it goes against the trend, the zone is not fresh. What else? There's one more I forget. Okay, if I remember, I'll tell you. Okay. It goes against the trend, the zone is not fresh, and I forget one more. Okay, I will let you know. Alright. There's one more. There's one more. Okay, I forget. Not fresh. Oh, I really forget. Okay, original sauce. Give me a while. Oh, I cannot think. Alright, okay, just take it easy first. Alright, yeah, take it easy first. If I will update. If once I remember. I forget what is normal. Okay. Alright, okay, so we wait for these two zones first, see how it goes, okay, and then we can try to enter, okay, take it easy guys. Okay, now you make me think. Trend against trend. This one is not fresh. Sharp sideways. Okay, alright. Okay, so for me, if you ask me, right, that's why I consider a lot on the sideways, because why, if let's say if you see this kind of sideways, like very sharp, this kind of sideways, okay, alright, try not to take, okay, try not to take, because this one is kind of not advisable lah. Alright, there is no sideways, okay, it's very sharp, okay. Alright, question I know some might not be easy to answer. Okay, no worries. Okay, you can ask. No problem. If I can answer, answer. But like as usual, because the thing is, I'm also human. I'm not. There are flaws lah in us, right? No worries. You can ask. No worries. Small thing. Okay, if I can answer. If I cannot, then I say I don't know lah. Simple. Alright. But for me, the thing is the basics must be the same. Alright. So like pertaining to your question before this, alright, you ask to see whether is it a fake one, alright. If the zone is not fresh, number one, okay, against the trend, for against the trend you can enter, but very risky, alright. Okay, number three, there is no break of structure. Okay, number four, sharp sideways lah. Okay, can sharp sideways. For example, this something like this. Okay, very sharp sideways. Let's say the zone is this, and this is not advisable to enter. Alright, this one. Okay, because why? There's no sideways. Okay, there is no break of structure and all those things. So, and I believe this is not fresh also lah. Alright, so try to avoid this kind of two candle zones. Okay, try to find this kind of zones, or better yet, this kind of big zones. Okay. If not, okay, let's say if it's not fresh, then you decide to enter, then it's risky, right? So what will happen? Let's say this will happen. See, look at my MT5. This will happen. Your float all the way down. Alright, so it's very different from just now. When we do Euro session, very different, right? This one there's a lot, so all these are floating. Okay, so it's not that advisable. That's why I said, okay, once you hit like 50 pips or so and so forth, close first. Alright, try not to hold. Okay, if you keep on holding, you are trading with hope. Okay, then you become this way. Alright, these are the flaws of this is my flaw lah. Alright, because just now when the trade came in, okay, then I entered, I supposed to close, but I did not. Okay, I just leave it, I just keep it floating. I was thinking that I can float. Right, but actually it's not advisable. Okay, once it hits the SL, close first, and then once at the bottom, and then you can try to enter again. So the idea here is, okay, to manage your money properly actually. Alright, okay, if it goes up, good, but if it goes the other way, hits the SL, alright, you must learn how to close first. Alright, especially for starters, normal accounts and all those things. Alright, okay. But if you ask me, Shah, I want to hold, it's up to you. If you want to hold, go ahead. Alright, but must know the consequences, must know the risk lah, that's all. No, I mean buy. I mean buy all the way. Alright, so this one is from the signal from the group, and then it's SL, right? So I didn't close, supposed to close, but I didn't close. Alright, so we will try this risky sell zone on top. Okay, alright, just look at my trading view lah. Okay, so what is trying to do right now at the moment, guys? Okay, you see the price here. Okay, the price here, trading view, the price here, it respected this zone once. Okay, so the second time it will try to take the full zone, and then it's trying to break this zone right here. Okay, once it breaks to this zone, and then it will come to the top zone here. Alright, so step by step, one by one. Okay, and then so on and so forth. Okay. So saying that, guys, about I talk about zones and account size and everything. So you guys just need to realize how much is an importance for you to grow your account. Alright, if you do not grow your account, it's hard for you to enter bigger lots. Okay, cannot. Alright, you must know how to be honest, you must know how to enter small first. Alright, and then you can progress to enter bigger lots. Okay, you must learn how to enter small and close at a small profit first. Alright, learn that first. It's okay to be scared. It's money. Alright, okay, it's money. So it's the money. Not say be scared. It's okay to be cautious. So I apologize. I changed my word. I take back my word. Alright, it's okay to be cautious. It's our money. Alright, okay. So let's take it easy, right, guys? Okay, so just relax. Once it's inside the risky sell zone, we will try to sell. Okay. Alright guys, okay, you can actually see okay, in M1, okay, you will respect at least once or maybe twice only. Okay, because M1 the zones is not that strong okay. Alright, to how then you ask me why, how do I know is it M1 zone or M5 zone? Okay, it's like this. When you look in M1, it's a zone, right? Okay, let's say I have a zone here, I mark this zone here. Alright, let's say I mark this zone here. Okay, M1, right? M1 zone. If you switch to M5, it's empty. Means this is an M1 zone. Only M1 you can actually see this zone. Can you understand? Alright, that's what I mean. The best zone to have. Okay, you see, like this is M5, right? You can see there's a zone here. Alright, if you go to M15, okay, there's a zone here. Alright, if you go to H1, okay, only then there's no zone here. But if you ask me, if it's M15, there's a zone here, means it's kind of okay. Not very very strong, but okay. Better than, of course, better than M1 lah. Okay, you can actually see the if I mark this zone right here, alright, in M15, sorry, in M1, I switch to M15 is nothing. It's blank, guys. Alright, so you can actually see that's why it can only go maybe once or the most or twice. That's it. Alright. Okay, it's coming to the cell zone. Okay, we try to sell. Okay, once you set the cell zone, alright. Okay, it's still trying to break this zone right here. Okay, this zone right here, left this zone. Just now it broke this, broken this top zone here. Now it's left. Now what's left is this one. Okay, he's trying to break this zone right here. Once it breaks and then go inside the zone, we can try to sell. Okay. This makes me while I see that you treat simply and don't seem to expect perfection from us. Because the thing is, there's no such thing as a perfect zone. Okay, the more you understand that, okay, the more you can perfect. Alright, okay. You just remember this. There's no such thing as a perfect zone. Okay, you must always have that mindset that you are going to. There's a chance that it will hit itself. Alright, okay. This makes me wonder, why do so many traders struggling with the mindset of leading a perfect zone that behave exactly as you want? No, cannot. Okay, the thing is, the facade of perfect zone whatsoever doesn't happen. There's no. It's just a pool only. Right, to put people to say, oh, this is a perfect zone. If it doesn't work, they will blame others. Correct? They will say, oh, okay, sorry guys, okay, it doesn't work because of this, but the truth is, right? I have to be honest, even they don't really have that confirmation. Alright? Don't have that I should say that don't have that confirmation that it's a good zone. Okay, there's no such thing as a good zone, to be honest. Alright, there's only a zone, and then you will try to enter. Alright, only you enter. Is it going to profit or is it going to sell? That's it. Alright. Okay, the probability, yes, you can analyze the market, and then you can raise up the probability. That's it. Okay, for example, okay, you mark the sideways is nice, correct? The sideways is nice, and then you mark, and then there's a break of structure, or there's a strong point or whatsoever not. Okay, so that will raise up the probability. That's it, and then you try to enter. Okay, the mindset must be that way. It cannot. Oh, I'm going to profit today. I'm going to profit today and have $1,000 today. Okay, confirm must get, cannot. It's like business, guys. Okay, trading is like business. When you are doing business, okay, alright, you are not sure whether on that day how much will you earn. Okay, maybe it's a rainy day. Okay, not many people will come to the shop. Okay, so the probability, let's say it's a very good day, sunny day, and then you say, oh, today is going to be good. Let's say you sell ice cream. Okay, for example, you sell ice cream. Okay, and then you say, okay, today's the probability of my business is going to be good. When I'm selling ice cream, because it's a hot day, a lot of people will come. It's the same thing as trading. Alright, same thing. Okay, same thing. Okay, you have the zone. Alright, you have the zone. You already have the confirmation, the probability of how the trade is going to run. But even if you know a lot, okay, alright, you can't confirm. Let's say, for example, you already entered the zone. Okay, wow, this one's going to go on. Suddenly, Donald Trump sneezed, or he fell sick. Okay, break all the zones. Can happen before. Alright, happen before. That's why I say there's no such thing as a perfect trade. Okay, you can try to raise up your probability. Okay, but a lot of people, okay, when come, especially on TikTok. Okay, I think for YouTube is okay though. And I think you guys are from my group. But especially on TikTok, a lot of people don't know what is going on. They are not inside the group. Okay, they tend to ask, but I don't blame them. Because I think they are not sure. That's all. Alright, they wanted a perfect trade. They always ask, oh, where's the buy or where's the sell? If I know that, okay, I won't be doing this. Might as well I just wait. And okay, I just enter, buy, and I just enter, sell. Correct, right? Right? Why must I have a zone? Alright, I don't need a zone. I don't need an SL. I don't need a TP because it's confirmed. I know where's everything already. Correct? Perfect trade. But the thing is, that I mentioned, why we have a zone, why we have SL and we have TP, we are playing with probability. We are probably, okay, it will go into the zone and about 70% it will come right down, or it will maybe about 30%, okay, it will hit SL. So I will lower down my lot size. Okay, I will raise up a little bit of my lot size because I have a 70% chance that 70% chance it will come down. The sideways is good. There's a break of structure. The zone is fresh, so I will raise up my probability to maybe 80%. Okay, I will put a little bit more of my lot size. That's it. That's the game to trading. Okay, that's it. There's no such thing as 100% it will come down. No such thing. No such thing. Okay, there is no such thing as a 100%. Right? Must understand this. Must understand this. Right? That's why a lot of people, a lot of newcomers, right, in trading, okay, fail at the start because you don't understand this concept. Must have this concept first. Right? Must understand this concept. Must know where or when to cut, or where or when to not full margin. Alright, if you want to full margin, by all means go ahead. Alright, if it goes down away, very good. If not, well, you will lose your account. Simple. Alright, I have lost full margin. If you go your way, you will earn a lot, which is true. But once you are very good, once you are so used to full margin, alright, and then understand, and then one day you full margin and then you lost, you don't want to trade anymore. Okay, believe me, because it happened to me. Alright, see, okay guys, see at the moment right now it's halfway. Okay, right now is I'm profiting to 100 plus. So I have a decision to make. If I want to close this, or if I want to wait for it to go all the way up. It's my decision, guys. Alright, it's none of yours. No one can tell me what to do. Okay, same goes to you guys. Okay, let's see if it's profit, you want to wait for everything for blue, go ahead. There's no charge to it. There's no one is going to fault you. Alright, okay. But if let's say now it's $500. Is it good? Yes. What do you think I should do? I think I should close. Alright. Anyway, alright. You see a sell zone, you guys can try to sell. Okay. So probability. So for me, I see, I think this is a sell zone. There's a chance it will eventually go down. I will close. Alright. Okay. So what do you think? Okay. Never mind. I close if you says profit already. Okay. So the sell here, you guys can try to sell. Okay, you can try to sell this zone right here. Alright. Okay. Sorry, I got a few questions. I think I spoke too much. Okay, you seem fine even if 1, 2 or 3 zones fail. How do you maintain the mindset or stay relaxed about zone outcome? Okay, it's like this. Okay, number one, you must be able to accept loss, which is for me is very hard. I cannot accept loss. Okay, I cannot accept loss. I will always put hope in it. Okay, that's my weakness. Alright, must know your weakness. Where's your weakness? Okay, I have a lot of weakness, guys. Alright, all of us have our own weakness. All of us have weaknesses. Okay, all of us have a lot of flaws. Alright, but the only thing you can actually do is to know and then try to counter it. Alright, okay. Don't need to complain, guys. Don't complain. Alright, don't complain. Just have a flaw and then deal with it. That's all, man. Alright, that's the difference between a trader and a person that like to complain. Alright, okay, don't complain, guys. If you have a problem, deal with it. Stop complaining. This cannot, that cannot. Okay, waste of time. Okay, if you want to succeed in anything, okay, don't complain. Alright, don't complain guys, okay? Relax. That's why I always mention, okay guys, relax, take it easy. Because the thing is, okay, to succeed in or to be a good trader, right, you must learn how to accept loss. Okay, learn to accept loss first. Okay, wait, before I continue. Okay. Alright. Struggles of meeting a holy zone that does exactly what I expect. Okay, one by one. So as time goes by, you will tend to learn how to handle it. Okay, as time goes by, believe me, as time goes by, you will okay lah, another loss. Okay, never mind. Well, you get up before. Okay, the hardest thing to do is actually to get up the first time. Alright, okay, I repeat again. The hardest thing to do is get up the first few times, and after a few times you immune already. Well, one again, lost again. Never mind lah. I'll get up, but not so much lah. But don't get up and then not do anything. Don't like that lah. Okay, get up and then learn something. Okay, learn something from it. Means you fall forward. Alright, fall forward. Okay, don't I fall down, I get up, but you don't do anything. Don't like that. Alright, every single time when you fall, make sure you get up, you become better. Finish. That's all. Alright, screenshots, whatever, your experience, your confidence, your knowledge, everything. Okay, don't just depend on getting up and then just trying to expect that you are better. No, cannot. Put in a bit of effort. Okay. Alright, learn. Okay. Alright. To be honest, okay, I have to be honest. I say this with a lot of honesty. Okay, I do not have any certification in trading. Alright, okay, I said it. Okay, I don't have any like degree or whatsoever. I'm an IT student, but I'm doing trading. So what is your reason for not making it? What is your reason for not making it? I'm an IT student. Alright, don't know anything about money. Okay, never worked in banks even. Okay, but I'm teaching trading. Alright, so it's not. I'm not telling you that I'm a bluff or something. No, I teach everything for free now. Okay, but the thing is, it's my experience that I go through. Okay, the knowledge that I get, it's not that I learn from a book. No, I learn from someone. Okay, I learn from a teacher that I paid, and I learn. Okay, so all this that we portray inside our group, okay, whatever we show inside our group is all for free. Okay, so the thing is, it's a waste if you guys don't learn from it. Okay, learn something. Okay. Alright, learn something from it. Learn from my mistakes, especially the stories that Fendi tell when he's on TikTok. Alright, listen to his stories. Listen to whatever even listen to Rosie. Okay, Rosie when she started off, alright, she's not like now what you see. Alright, she's very soft, shy, very very shy. Okay, then you see, now she's doing TikTok. Okay, so the thing is, you don't not know what will happen, okay, unless you try. Okay guys, it's running about 40 pips. Okay, 42 pips or whatsoever. Right, if you guys want to hold. Okay, want to close a bit. 40 pips, close a bit lah. I don't want to hold anymore. Tired lah. Okay, alright. Okay, you want to hold. Want to close. Alright. Okay, because why? The zone is quite enormous. Okay, there's a chance you will go to the top zone here. Okay, alright. So the thing is, guys, okay, just be motivated to do better for yourself, okay, for your family and all those things. Alright, okay. And also, just to let you know, different source, I'm not okay with fail zones. Okay, of course, who want a fail zone? Nobody wants a fail zone. But well, that's why I say you must accept the loss. You must learn how to accept it. Okay, not oh shit, I mean loss, then cry. No, don't cry. Learn. Maybe you can cry for 5 minutes. Okay, don't cry for 2 days. Cannot. Okay, cry for maybe 5 minutes. Oh shit, I should have done that. Okay, you can say whatever you want for 5 minutes, or maybe take 1 hour lah, 1 hour. Okay, and then after you come back, do better. That's all. Right? That's all. Okay. And let me tell you something, guys. Okay, a lot of all these successful people that I know, I actually don't have a very high education, but they have the drive to succeed. Okay. Right, guys, it's 50 pips. So close a bit lah. Close a few at the bottom, then relax. Okay. Right, they have the drive to succeed, and they do it better than. Okay, some of them hire students with qualifications to work for them. Okay, right. So the thing is not. It's of course with knowledge is good, but it's not just with paper, with determination and all that. Okay, try your best lah, guys. Okay, try your best. Okay, I struggle with these two, wanting a holy zone that doesn't exactly what I expect. Can be so frustrating seeing you treat simply really highlights the mindset. Yes. Okay, the thing is you must have the mindset. Oh, never mind lah, it's okay. Seriously. Okay, you must have that. Never mind, it's okay, never mind. Okay, you must have that mindset. Never mind, it's okay, we will learn. Meaning to say, stay positive, whatever it is. Alright? Okay, I don't have this kind of mindset last time. Alright? Until I realised why. If the more I realise that my mistake is big. Okay, I will keep thinking of it, right? And then it will become bigger. Okay, of course you can think of it, but not until I mentioned until 2 days, 3 days. Okay, no. Okay, maybe 1 hour or whatsoever. Maybe take a walk or something, and come back do better. It's like that, no? Alright, maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, maybe not next year, but it will happen. Okay, you see there's a holy zone, right? Whatever. Okay, suddenly you can see, oh, there's a zone. Oh, I can see the zone right now. Then you see, oh yeah, this sideways. Suddenly you see, oh, this sideways I saw before. I think it will break because it's an M1 zone, something like that. Okay, so the thing about it is keep on doing, keep on practicing, and then succeed. Finish. Okay, don't think so much. Okay, sometimes I see a fresh buy zone and decide to increase my lot size, but end up losing due to Trump. I lost terribly to the spike down. Oh, understand. Understand. But whatever it is, big Bakaris Taslim. Okay, understand. That's why I say there's no such thing as a perfect trade. Alright, there's no such thing. Okay, but the basics of it. To build a house, guys, the foundation must be good. Correct? The flooring must be good. Okay, the pillar must be good. Okay, the wall all not important. The pillar must be good. So all these are the basics of it lah. Okay, this is back testing and so on and so forth. Alright, guys. Okay, it's running more close to 60 pips. Okay, well done. Very good. Okay, how to know not to hold or losing trade, hoping it will go back to off. Okay, high time frame. So, okay, if let's say you are trading, one thing I use is this kind of thing. Of course, we never know when or where it's going to how much is it, how much you want to hold. Right, that's why we have break of structure. Alright, for example, okay, this zone right here. Okay, let me find the break of structure. Okay, for example, this break of structure here. This is a break of structure. Something like this. Okay, so let's say now it's running about 70 pips, correct? Now it's running about 70 pips. Okay, 80 pips, right? So the thing is, let's say you have your TP is the break of structure or to the left or something. Okay, it's a 4-5-2-9. All right, will build more confidence for you to hold. All right, but you must remember there is a zone here for the buy. Okay, that's why it stopped. Okay, so what must you do? You have two probabilities. Okay, it's either it's going to stop at this buy zone here, all right, or it will go down to this TP. Okay, so but the thing is, what I will do is, that's why I implement the money management. All right, so money management. So what can I do? I will close. It came down to 80 pips. All right, so I will close 70% of it. I left 3 layers. 1, 2, 3. Example. Okay, for it to come down to TP1, I will delete 1. I left with 2 or left with 1, whichever. Alright, and then I see, okay, let's say my TP2 is here. I lazy want to go to the left. Okay, my TP2 is here, let's say. Alright, so once it reaches my TP2, okay, I will close one more, I will close everything. Okay, so if you ask me, the question is how to know whether to hold or to close. Alright, to be honest, there's no other way for me to know than just the to the left break of structure. Alright, okay, that's all. Maybe you can take the trend into consideration also. Alright, for example, it's coming down. Alright, it's coming down, so you have the probability to hold it a little bit longer. Alright, but of all that, guys, alright, if it's running about 85 pips, please don't hold all the way and think that it will come down to 100 pips. Okay, that's the wrong mindset. Okay, close. 90 pips is a lot, guys. 90 pips. That's running 90 pips really. Okay, close. Just close 70% of it. Alright, just hold 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Okay, so the idea here is the leftover layers is for you to hold with break even. Right, then you will eliminate the worry already. Okay, finish. Make it simple, guys. Okay, don't make it so complicated. Alright. It's like your zone quoted with chili because price reacts like it got what? This one is years of backtesting. I'm still doing backtesting. Alright. So long if you guys are doing trading, do backtesting. Cannot stop. Alright, cannot stop. Don't stop. You do backtesting. Alright. Now maybe not. Of course not like when you start lah. When I started off, I do backtesting quite a bit, but now I do very rare. Okay. I am always not willing to cut loss, hoping price go back to the favor, end up losing so much more. Yes. Okay. So the thing is no choice but to actually what is it? Wait lah. Oh lama, shit. Wait lah, give me a moment. So. STCP. Okay, give me a moment. Okay, can? Okay. Sorry. Okay. Alright. Alright, so close, straight to close. That's why I say. That's why I mentioned, like just now I was saying. Okay, learn how to close. Loose also, hit a cell close. Never mind, it's okay. Alright. If not, you will lose. Of course, sometimes yes, correct. You will hope some. That's why I call hope. Sometimes you will go up, correct. Or it will come down. Alright. But the thing is, there's no confirmation. Might as well just close first. Go to the next zone and then try again. Okay. Alright. Unless you tell me you have a very big account, okay, you can lay all the way. Alright. Once you hit like just not like halfway, I'm in profit, then I close everything. Okay. Okay, understand? Alright. I'm talking about floating losses. I'm not willing to cut loss and keep holding and end up losing. Yalah, correct lah. Floating. Alright. So the thing is, you're not willing to cut loss, correct? You're not willing to cut loss because if you cut loss like wasted like that, correct not? Okay, because you are holding. But the thing is, you have to cut. Okay, unless like mentioned just now, unless you have a big account, okay, then I got no say. But if you are starting off with a normal account, have to go to this strict kind of what is it? Discipline. Have to do it. Okay. Starting, if I was when you're starting off like just now, I cannot lay it like how I lay just now. You can see just now all the way down. I lay all the way down here, all the way down. Cannot. Alright. Your chart is different from Rosie's, is it? A bit different. But it's actually the same, right? Yes, how to overcome this. Okay, so the things, the thing you can do is find another fresh zone. Okay, for example, the trade from the bottom here. Okay, let's say you never respect lah. Okay, let's say we just say you never go this way, go up all the way up. Right, then you're floating. Okay, always find if let's say you don't have NSL, alright, always find another sell zone on top, another fresh sell zone on top. Okay, then you gauge. Alright, you gauge whether your account can hold all the way to this area. Example, okay, all the way to this area. If cannot, cut first. Right, cut first. Never mind, it's okay. Cut first and then enter the top. Okay, alright. I know it's painful to cut. Alright, but have to cut. Alright. So what you can actually do, let's say it goes to this zone right here, layer as per normal. Alright. Once it goes to halfway around this area, most of the time it's really 0-0, break even. Most of the time. Okay, most of the time. If not, over here, then you make the decision to close, or what you can actually do to wait for it to come all the way down. But for me, most of the time I wait for it to come down all the way down. Alright, wait for it to be blue everything, then I will close everything. Alright. So to be honest, to counter this, you just need to number one, find another fresh zone on top. Right, number one, find another fresh zone on top. If it's too far, let's say alamak, very far, next one is very far, close first. Close. Okay, close first. And then at the top here, enter again. Understand? Okay. Thank you, Shaq. Your analysis is helping me understanding the charts. I have FOMO Now I understand why I would enter in the market reverse immediately. Yes. Okay, so take it easy guys, slowly. Okay. Alright, so I mentioned just now. Okay. Okay, now the theory with higher time frame and lower time frame both same. Alright, both is the same. Higher time frame, where how to mark the zone, you mark the zone right here. Same thing. Okay, same thing. Okay, when the difference is the size of the zone, that's all. Okay, Shah here. Alright, so the theory everything is the same. So mark the zone properly. Once it goes into the zone, alright, and then you can go for the sell, the buy, everything. That's why, to be honest, I concentrate a lot on zones. Okay, the sideways and all that, because that's the basic of it. Okay. Alright, what if you after you close, then suddenly price go back to your favor again, then you regret closing? That's the thing, you must accept the loss. A lot of people cannot accept, right? Okay, same. Okay, Zaki sir is like this. Okay, let's say once you make the decision, alright, the one thing that a lot of people cannot take it is the regret. Understand? They cannot take it. Oh shit, I should have this, should have that. That one is thought so. Thanks, you're welcome. That one is never mind, bro. It's okay. If let's say you go back into the zone, then you cut already. So what can you do? You want to regret? No need lah. Alright. The thing about trading, guys, you must be willing to take the decision. Alright. To make. You must be willing to make decisions. Alright. If let's say you cut and then you go back into the zone, then you regret. You say, oh, should this, should that. No need. Okay. Rather than you do that, right? Might as well you find a way how you can actually improve. Okay, right? Believe me, Zeki, you are not alone. I understand how you feel. Okay, let's say it goes up and then on top. Example, I hate when this happen. Okay, you have a zone and then suddenly on top, take the full zone. Example. The price, take the full zone until here. Okay, over here I cut. Example, right? Or sell the zone lah. Over here I cut. And suddenly just take the full zone of this tip, or it take this just this break here, and then it comes down. I hate it when this happen. Alright, I don't like. But it is what it is. Alright, rather than oh shit, I should have. No need, don't say that. Okay, it happened already. It's okay, bro. It happened already. Right, I learn. To be honest, I learn to do that. Okay, I am like you. I understand. Right, I feel regret. Oh shit, should have hold. Now it goes back down. Okay, but to be honest, don't have to regret. You make the decision, then you make the decision. Never mind, it's okay. So what can you do? Alright, so now I know. If let's say on top there's a zone, put your SL above it. That's why our SL is the left high. My SL will always the left high. Alright, so I have a little bit of cushion to wait for it to go on top and then come back down. That's why you must respect the SL. Okay, must respect the SL. Alright, understand? Okay. Alright guys, okay. Thank you for joining. Alright, I will be back later at night. Okay, thank you for supporting. Alright, I shall see you guys. Okay, bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.